everybody, MDpolo here at Range USA in Carmel, Indiana. And I was browsing through the cabinets and I saw this. I've never seen a Glock 45, and it is an Austrian Glock 45, but from the factory with an Aimpoint ACRO already installed. And not only that, but they give you tall sights, as you can see here, if you can see. I am so sorry, I just came to shoot here today. I was not expecting to do a video, so all I had in my truck was the little tripod with the GoPro that has only 20% battery left in it, so I'm going to try to crank this out quickly. But I wanted to show it to you and see what your thoughts were. All this is straight from the factory. It comes in a regular Glock box. It comes with the normal Glock 45 3 mags that you get with it, the 2 back straps. Then now you get a little plastic baggie, and it does come with the Aimpoint ACRO manual and the tool to adjust it. However, I've looked everywhere in this case, even in between the foam and everything, and you do not get a battery. So maybe I looked inside, there is no battery. So unless, you know, you're just supposed to go buy your own. But for the price they're asking for this, I thought that for sure Glock would have put a battery for the Aimpoint ACRO. So I wanted to show it to you. Like I said, it comes straight from Glock, and it'll come with tall sights, and they're blacked out. And I hope this is coming through. It's showing here in the back. And I'm sorry if lighting is not the best, but I just wanted to show it to you today. So tall sights front and back from Glock. The trigger is typical Glock. Some are better than others. This particular one is very spongy and very heavy. I mean, I can tell you it's not quite a New York trigger, but it's getting close. This has got to be one of the worst Glock triggers that I've felt in quite some time. But it's pretty cool. It's got the tall sights. It's got the ACRO installed from the factory. And I wanted to show it to you. What do you guys think about this? And it's selling for that. Which makes sense, because if this is in the, you know, low to mid 600s, and this for sure, it's selling around 600, put it all together, plus the tall sights, and you're actually saving a little bit of money if this is what you want. So there you go. Short video. Thanks Range USA for letting me film this at their location. Like I said, this is not mine. I always tell you if it's not mine. And otherwise, if you don't hear me tell you who it belongs to, then it is mine. I look forward to your comments. What do you think about this? Would you carry this in this configuration with the Aimpoint ACRO? I'd like to know what you think about not only the configuration, but the thought that Glock put this together, innovation, and what do you think about the Aimpoint ACRO? Very curious. I've never shot a gun with one of these. So there it is. Once again, thanks to Range USA. I'm in Carmel, Indiana. I look forward to your comments. And like I mentioned, I put videos out every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm more active now on Twitter, X is called, because I'm really upset at Instagram. I'm getting really sick and tired of their censorship. But we're on our way to 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate your help, your support. And until the next time, God bless.